Alright guys, I just hopped on this trade right here. So basically, um, trade was, we just have a lot of like areas right here with these order blocks right here. Just a bunch of fucking order blocks all over the place. This in itself is an order block. You can call this a proportion block. But I just classified them as the same thing. But yeah, as you can see, like I said, price moves from liquidity to liquidity. Price took out London low and then just immediately shot up. Getting us back up here. And like things like order block or order blocks, shit like that. Pretty classified as liquidity too. That's why, that's why I took this trade, because normally I would look for a high to get taken out. I mean, we did take out some highs here too, but yeah, I say didn't really need to do that, because we have these areas right here that I was aware of. Plus, this isn't really like anything major, just like pre New York. Now, if this was a London high, I would have definitely seen that shit get taken out. But I did take 2 trades before this. It was right here, and then another one right here. But I cut my losses a little short on those. As you can see right here, I cut them short. Because my precautionary fucking procedure, I guess, if you want to call it that. When price closes above 50% of an order block, which is what I mainly base my trades off of. We do have news at 10, so I'm hoping it will push it. 9:30 will push price. I'd say, obviously I would want to see it push price lower, because we've just been chopping here. Then we can see price go lower. This was gonna be my target, but we were so close to it when I got to the charts, and I was like, yeah, it was just too obvious. Price is more than likely going to that shit right away. This would be a better entry, but since this is before like the times I trade, which is 10, I don't want to add another one. You have an inversion right here. But my stuff is just above this high. I could how do I put the line back? Because I can't. I think that's good. We also still have this here as a target, because when we opened that Friday, we gapped up all the way up here. And looking at how the daily formed too, a very healthy candle, healthy bearish candle. I am aware of this area, which could warrant price to go higher, but I want to see price go lower. It would have been a lot better if like London was a lot lower right here. Then that would make my sell bias a lot stronger. Oh yeah, also we're inside of fair value. The only reason why I re-entered is because we broke this low right here again. I was like, okay, maybe it's time to go lower now. If we break this low, we should be good. I say should because price has been fucking around lately. It's reacting to this. So if it breaks that, then we should see it go lower. Almost 9:30 also. So I would love to see this just dump from here. And then the 10 a.m. news will fuel it either to the upside or the downside. And I'm looking for, I'm hoping for downside movement. I am aware, of a TJIF situation going on, but I just kind of don't see it, guys. Like, this is a beautiful sell model. Actually, look, if you look at this is a shift from here. So we were inside this whole range. We were inside this whole range this whole time, and then we just shifted right here, which is also a grab. Which is why, man. See, I actually just noticed this shit. This makes a lot of sense. See, one thing I hate when I'm trading, I don't care about losing, alright? Because losing is part of the game. I just hate it when it doesn't fucking make sense. When I lose, normally when I lose, right, I know why I lost. But when I lose and it doesn't make sense why it did it, that's what pisses me off. That's why I was pissed about this shit yesterday. Because, like, it didn't make no fucking sense. You know what I'm saying? Like, I don't care about losing, bro. It's part of the game, man. I've been losing for so long, bro. But it's just so annoying when it doesn't make sense why it lost. I figured it, man. I just been thinking about that. See, right here, it makes sense why I lost. Because, it's too early. And it's not like price violated anything because it's still respecting these areas that I was aware of, you know what I'm saying? So I wasn't pissed about losing this. Yeah, I'm aware of this whole area here. Once price breaks this low, it's wraps. It should be wraps. Okay. Cut the risk. I shouldn't see price come up there. Keyword shouldn't. Just fucking around this whole week. I'm not going to put my stop to break even yet because it's still permissible for price to tap into this area. And I'm also looking for how this 9 a.m. candle forms. I have a feeling it's going to form like this, and that'll be amazing if it does. So if it forms as a nice bearish candle like this low is going to be next, which is the target for today. And look at that gap. If I end up losing this trade, I'm gonna look for a trade at 10 a.m. So price reprice into this area is fine. But honestly, at this point, I shouldn't see it take that order block out. Last chance for price to just dump lower. So if it's not going to do it, 930 will push this thing high. But I ain't gonna lie, I was also expecting this high to get taken out. I wouldn't be surprised if it gets taken out, because this is a major liquidity that we grabbed. But I was, like I said, I was aware of these areas that could possibly stop price. So, which is why I'm taking the short right now, instead of waiting for this high to get taken out. Okay, 930. I'm hoping for 930 to push this down. And like I said, once we take this low, it's over. This low is going to get taken out, because this is what's holding us right now. This will grab these lows that are here, and this in itself is like, major area. Oof. That's not good. Look at that. Oh, whoa. I didn't get taken out, bro. Yeah. Okay. We're going for this high. At least we cut our losses short. That's always a good thing. So, with that loss that we just got, I'm really not, because it makes sense. We're still, this area was still holding us back. And at the same time, before I started recording, I was also looking for this high to get taken out. It's like I said, liquidity to liquidity. I mean, PDRA's like order block is liquidity too, but old highs and old lows are still like the more superior liquidity. I wouldn't trust this right now until it takes out that swing high. Also, I was looking at this wick because just in case the price wants to go back up, we can see how it reacts to that. Right now, I just gotta base this trade off of the 9 a.m. candle now. But this is some choppy price action though. Like we are in some consolidated zone, area. But it still made sense though. Let me take these off. These are invalid now. That high's gonna get taken out. See, look, I had buy side there labeled. Watch this. I don't know how long it's gonna take me to get there. Watch, I'm gonna go all the way back. I'll show y'all that I was looking for that high to get taken out too. Damn, every little movement I take. In a minute now. Look at that shit accelerate to the buy side. Watch this. My buy side line is gonna pop up. Damn, what the fuck? There it is. Okay, take it out. It could go after this too. We have a lot of sell side here, man. You got this real void here. So that's actually what I want to go after, though. I am down quite a bit this day for today on the FTMO. I'm down, what is it, 27, right? Okay. 27. Oh, quite a bit, man. Quite a bit. So liquidity to liquidity, we just took out liquidity. Honestly, this is enough for me to take a trade. Take this shit out. Make a fair value, I'll get in. I would rather want to see how the 9 a.m. candle forms, but this is enough. I need to see that get taken out first. Because this candle will hold price, or pretty much this whole area right here. Better confirmation would be if we take this out. But I feel like price is gonna accelerate lower, like really fast. I have a feeling that price is gonna dump. I have a really good feeling price is gonna dump. Because we still have that 10 a.m. news. Just what I'm counting on to bring us back down. See how this shit is reacting to this. Take it out, take it out. If it takes that low, you know what? Get it right there. Yeah, invert, I mean, the volume imbalance. Okay, good. See what I mean? I mean, it's not even 10 yet. I'm keeping an eye on this volume imbalance right here. I don't like that. Okay, this is going to form a swing high, right? Okay, if it does, I want to wait for this to get taken out. Just looking at how this is reacting right now, this would be the better confirmation. But if we break this, there should be no reason for us to go back higher. If we break this, it's going to break this. You can already see a possible order block forming. You guys can probably see it too. I will base my trade off of this. Just so I can calculate. So I can see it forming. You know, just a good thing it's chopping around right now because I want it to be fluid at 10 a.m. We're not getting it just yet, guys. So yeah, basically, this gets taken out, guaranteed this low is also getting taken out. Watch. Watch. And 9 a.m. is probably going to form as a weak bullish candle. If that's the case, that'll be good confirmation we're going lower. I might just be better off waiting until 10. Yes, like I said, I need to see this level get taken out. Also, this wick rebalance this imbalance right here. So, I can base my trade off of that instead now. It's a lot bigger, but realistically, my risk is right there, just below 50% of this would be order block. This should become an order block soon. Okay, as soon as it breaks that, top of this, we are in. Get everything ready. It doesn't have to close below it, guys. Just needs to tap it. Nope, not just yet. Not yet. Get everything ready right here. Okay. Ooh, this is so aggressive. What stops above? As soon as this is broken, should be good. TP is still same thing. Same TP. Oh yeah, yesterday's TP that I was, anticipating got taken out. I mean, are we really surprised? It was so obvious, which is why I was pissed, because like we were so close to it, and just price just went to my original trade idea that I couldn't get in on. Like that was the first thing I was anticipating when I got in front of the charts. I was like, okay, I want to see price do this and this, and it did exactly that. All right, this thing is really holding price, guys. This shit is really holding price right now. I mean, best time to get in would be 10, but 9:30. After 9:30 is it's still fair game. And we trying to take advantage of that red folder. I mean, you shouldn't trade before news, but this isn't like FOMC, CPI, and NFP. Yeah, so those ones you definitely don't want to go before. Yeah, that shit is really holding it down, man. So as soon as we take that low, should be safe. Okay, I like the way that looks. Now this candle should go lower, guys. This candle should fucking take a shit. It's not good. But at the same time, though, see if this one fails, it makes sense. Because this is really holding it down. This whole range right here. That's an order block, proportion block right there. So yeah, like I said, the best confirmation would be if we break that low. I was anticipating for price to take this like really aggressively and then take this out too at the same time. That's what I was anticipating. That's why. Okay, if we close above that, I'm out. Okay, so reacting to it. You know how it goes. If it closes above, we're done. But if this candle closes like this and it doesn't go lower from there, then yeah, we're fucked. Price is really testing, man. I gotta wait until the timer ends, guys. This takes me out, it's fine. Yeah, it's taking me out. Damn. I can still see a possible setup. I mean, that's our first real hit. Yeah, I've been in a losing streak. I mean, we had one win on Monday. Alright, this will be the confirmation. See now, if we break this, I'm gonna be targeting something else. I'm gonna target these lows right here. Yo, wait till 10. Yeah, I'm gonna wait till 10. Fuck, man, if only I know how to fucking edit. I'll just end this because I don't want it to be too long. Fresh has a nice wick up there. I mean, to the upside in this 9 a.m. candle. Yeah, I wouldn't be expecting price to come and take out 9 a.m. high. Guess we did take out this black side right here. Let me take this off. It's not a factor anymore. Got Asian low right there too. That's good. That's good. Alright, should give us a shift now. Let's say around 950. 950 will give us a shift. Next candle. Where this candle? Well, yeah, this candle will be 950. We'll close at 950. See, look at this. That's what I mean. Is he gonna take a shit, guys? He will take a shit, watch. So that's just above here. You see that? It's taking a shit right now. The question is if it's gonna give us an entry. Okay. Fair game at this point. Give us a retracement. trying to get into this order block. Breaker also here. Let's see if price wants to be reasonable. Well, this is also a breaker right here. Put a small entry here. This is the reason why, guys. Because you know what's the most annoying thing is when you're expecting something and it doesn't give you the fill. If it goes back up here, that's cool. Just doubling down. Alright, now measure this order block right here. Okay, we double down. Stops just above here. You can see the same. Okay, in 1 minute, there's a fair value out there, right here, which I do see. Yeah, that should stay open. I really do believe we going lower. See how this 9 a.m. is looking like. Okay, I really need this 9 a.m. to close like this so we can go lower. But I'm confused. So break this low, stops to well, just above structure. That fair value really should stay open though, because we are there's so many PDRAs in the area we're in right now. But basically, this high should be protected at this point in time. If price really wants to go lower, price should not revisit this high at all. It's protected at this point. I did say I want to move price. Move the stop, but I don't see a logical area where I can put it at. Because I could put it here, but I need this to really at least take this out. Then I can put it up here. Why is it waking it like that, man? Yeah, that's annoying. You can't tell me this ain't choppy, guys. Like, this is a real chop right here. Look at this shit. Ugh. My only reasoning would be reason why Price is doing this is it wants to reach for that. I would rather it not doing that though. Not because I don't want to get stopped out. It's because it should stay open because we, like I said, there's so many PD arrays around this area that we're in, and it's high in the range. Honestly, it could touch this too, but nah. Price should have already took it. Price should have already dropped down at this point in time, man. I don't know why it's doing all this right now. It really should have already dropped down. See what I mean, man? Like, it's making these beautiful candles, that suggest that we're going lower, and then it just does some shit like this. I just need price to stay around this area right now we're in. It ain't even 10 o'clock yet, man. That's crazy. Yeah, nah. You could tap into that. You're probably gonna get hit here, guys. This is just so bad, man. And this is how much I should be risking per trade, though, for this account. This size. Okay, filled out that fucking fair value. See, I would look for buys, right? But I just don't have a clear liquidity to go after, which is why I'm not looking for one. But south side there's plenty, and we are still overall bearish. The only logical target if I want to go long would be around like this high right here, but this don't feel like it should be going after that. So we already took out buy side, liquidity to liquidity, liquidity to liquidity. Just why I'm surprised why we haven't gone lower. Like, I don't know what's going on. No. Let me take this out. Sorry, this looks really bad. But basically, yeah, this is the last straw for me. If you close above that, I'll take it off. Okay, 10 a.m. I like the way this closed. See this big wick? Previous low should get taken out. And that should be the confirmation for us to go lower. See, this shit is playing games, man. This is playing games with me. Look, this low should get taken out by now. The time where price should be taken out lows should be this time. This is prime time, guys. 10 a.m. We are prime time in New York right now. This is where shit gets done. Like yesterday, I was expecting shit to get done around this time. But as soon as 11 o'clock hit, that's when it fucking got shit done. Like, what the fuck? 11 o'clock is normally where shit slows down. 11, 12. You know, this is just so trash, man. Like, price, like, what, like 2-3 weeks ago was fucking amazing. But last week and this week's been ass. I mean, there was still beautiful moves this week. But you can't deny this is some choppy ass price action. Compared to my other videos, you know, the price was so fluid. See how nice of a bearish candle that looks? It really should take it out, guys. If it doesn't, then I don't know what the fuck it wants to do at this point. I mean, I still believe the fucking low is gonna get taken out. But setup wise, I don't know what the setup wants to do at this point if that low doesn't get taken out. Like, I'm just be honest here, man. Like, at this point, man. And you see what I mean? Like, it's doing all this playing around, man. But I'm not gonna move where my stops are gonna be at though, unless we take this low right here. Cause I need a big range. Cause if we take out this low, we're still inside this range right here, pretty much. This would be a little bit more reasonable. Bro, you see what I mean, bro? This is the 9 a.m. lows, bro. Big ass bearish candle. Beautiful bearish candle. And it's still fucking around. I mean, I do see it, reacting to this. I'm aware of that. But come on, man. Do your thing, man. What the fuck? This is some crazy shit, bro. Nah. Yeah, that's it. That's it for this trade, bro. I think this trade is cooked. I gotta wait and see how price reacts to that. Threshold though. I gotta keep up with my rules. Yeah, this is horrible, man. Like, what the fuck is this shit? That is so fucking trash. It was nearing the fucking 9 a.m. high. Fucking might as well take it. And look how close we were to 9 a.m. low. And it didn't fucking take it. See, that's what pisses me off, man. Yeah, no, this trade is done. That's done. That's done, bro. What a fucking shitty ass day. Fuck, well, that's it for this video, guys. So, like, shit. But watch, these lows are gonna get taken out later on, man. But yeah, that's it for this video. This was just a shitty ass day overall. I'll see y'all next one.